Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best camcorders for sports that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're capturing fast-paced action or recording special moments, these camcorders offer great features and performance to suit your needs. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Sony FDR-AX43 UHD 4K Handycam camcorder. This camcorder is designed for those who want professional-grade video quality, boasting 4K resolution with a 2.5-inch Exmor-R CMOS sensor. It's equipped with a built-in gimbal for optical stabilization, ensuring smooth and blur-free footage, especially when recording fast-moving sports action. With a 20 times optical zoom and a clear image zoom of up to 30 times in 4K or 40 times in HD, this camera is ideal for capturing distant subjects without sacrificing clarity. The Zeiss Vario Sonnar T wide-angle lens adds versatility, allowing for both sweeping landscape shots and close-up action moments. Design-wise, the Sony FDR-AX43 is compact and lightweight at just 1 pound, making it easy to carry during sports events or travel. Camcorder also includes a 3-inch touchscreen LCD for intuitive control, and connectivity features like Wi-Fi and NFC make sharing your footage a breeze. Its fast, intelligent autofocus ensures you never miss a decisive moment during high-speed action. And the Highlight Movie Maker feature automatically creates short clips for quick sharing. While the video quality is undeniably fantastic, the lack of a clear price point may make it less accessible for budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, it doesn't come with extras like SD cards or additional batteries, which could add to the overall cost. Overall, this camcorder is perfect for serious videographers looking to capture high-quality, stabilized footage, though it might be a bit overkill for casual users. Coming in at number 4 is the Panasonic HCV900 Full HD camcorder. This camcorder is a solid choice for those who prioritize ease of use and portability. With a 1/2-inch BSI MOS sensor and a bright f1.8 lens, it delivers clear, high-quality videos even in low-light conditions. It features a 24x zoom, giving you flexibility to capture wide-angle shots or zoom in on the action. The camcorder's 5-axis hybrid OIS Plus ensures blur-free footage, making it great for recording sports events or fast-paced activities. The active contrast function further enhances image clarity, ensuring your videos look sharp and vibrant. Design-wise, the Panasonic HCV900 is lightweight and ergonomically designed for comfortable extended shooting. It includes a bright 3-inch touchscreen LCD for easy operation, and its USB-C terminal and remote control port add to its connectivity options. The camcorder is versatile enough for beginners and experienced users alike, whether you're recording family gatherings or competitive sports. It reflects Panasonic's reputation for durable, high-performing imaging products. However, this camcorder lacks 4K functionality, which might be a deal-breaker for those seeking ultra-high-definition video. Additionally, the camera's pricing is not readily available, which may complicate budgeting considerations. Despite these drawbacks, the Panasonic HCV900 is a reliable and user-friendly camcorder that excels in delivering full HD video for dynamic sports action and everyday use. At number 3, we have the Video Camera Camcorder by Kimori. This budget-friendly camcorder offers full HD 1080p video resolution at 15 frames per second and 24-pixel photo resolution, making it a great choice for beginners who need a straightforward device for casual sports recording. It comes with a 3-inch LCD screen that rotates 270 degrees and a 16x digital zoom for getting closer to the action. Features like anti-shake, face capture, a beauty function, and a pause recording feature make it versatile for various scenarios. Additionally, it can double as a webcam for video calls or streaming, with easy connection via USB. The design is compact and lightweight, weighing just 1.19 pounds, making it portable for on-the-go recording. The included 2 NP-FV5 batteries allow for up to 90 minutes of continuous recording, and the ability to record while charging ensures you never miss a moment. While it supports SD cards up to 128 gigabytes, you'll need to purchase one separately, which might add to your initial investment. On the downside, the 15 frames per second may result in less smooth video playback, especially during fast-moving action. Additionally, the resolution maxes out at 1080p, which might not be sufficient for users looking for higher quality output. Overall, the Camry camcorder is a great entry-level choice for casual sports enthusiasts and vloggers who need a reliable and compact device without breaking the bank. At number 2, we have the Venoptics 2.7K video camera camcorder. This camcorder is packed with features that make it ideal for sports recording and vlogging. It supports 2.7K video recording and 50MP photo resolution, delivering crisp and detailed output. The 16x digital zoom and built-in LED fill light ensure great performance in various lighting conditions, whether you're recording outdoor sports or indoor events. Its versatility extends to webcam functionality, allowing you to connect it to a computer for live streaming or video calls. The included 32GB memory card and support for up to 128GB expandable storage mean you can start capturing moments right out of the box. The design is lightweight and portable, weighing just 14.9 ounces, with a 270-degree rotating LCD screen for easy framing. It also comes with 2 high-capacity batteries, each offering over 140 minutes of continuous recording, and supports recording while charging to keep you shooting uninterrupted. Additional features like anti-shake, face detection, and multiple scene modes make it versatile for various use cases, from sports events to family gatherings. The Venoptics camcorder has few downsides, although it lacks 4K resolution, which might be a drawback for users seeking the highest video quality. However, with its well-rounded feature set, ease of use, and included accessories, this camcorder is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to capture dynamic sports footage without spending a fortune. Finally, at number 1, we have the Muitun Camcorder video camera. This camcorder offers exceptional value for its price, delivering QHD 2.7K video resolution and 56MP photo quality. With a 16x digital zoom and a 2.8-inch LCD screen that rotates 270 degrees, it's perfect for capturing sports action or vlogging on the go. The built-in LED fill light ensures clear footage, even in dim conditions, and it includes a microphone input for improved audio quality, though the microphone is sold separately. The camera also comes with 2 high-capacity batteries and supports recording while charging, giving you up to 140 minutes of uninterrupted filming per battery. The design is compact and lightweight at just 15.2 ounces, making it easy to carry during outdoor activities or sports events. The included 32GB SD card means you can start using it right away. And with support for up to 128GB expandable storage, you'll never run out of space. Features like face detection, anti-shake, and smile capture make it versatile for various recording scenarios, from high-speed sports to casual family moments. One minor downside is the lack of 4K resolution, which might disappoint those looking for ultra-high-definition footage. However, given its affordable price point and extensive feature set, the Muitun camcorder stands out as the best overall choice for amateur sports enthusiasts, vloggers, and budget-conscious users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.